is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another kart meet. So as you can see, today I'm doing a little bit of classics. We're up in Magnolia, Texas with Speed Culture meet at Octane and Iron Fabrication Shop. And yes sir, the old school's get up and go. So I apologize if the lens is foggy. It's a humid day again. Front and center we have a beautifully fitted Lamborghini Euros. I love that blue. We got an engine swap. Still in the process, but we got the, what, 302? Ooh, look at this truck. Super clean. Now we have a really cool looking rat rod with a flathead. Oh my goodness. Don't see those too much anymore. Still under works, maybe? Or it could just be the style. Open headers. Dude, that's so sick. I love the wheels on that thing. It's nice. Then we have another rat rod. This time not a flathead though. Oh my gosh, that's a big block. That's all I know. But this thing is probably so scary to drive. Hey, I think I've seen this around a little bit. The Nardo Gray Shelby GT350. One of my favorite colors in that Shelby. Right next to the Bel Air Coupe. And a C10 pickup truck. But this thing is completely wicked. Stance all the way down to the ground on air ride. What in the world? This thing is so cool. Dude, look at the interior on this thing. It's so awesome. All right, and how can I miss this? We have the boat, the caddy, flexing on bags. Dude, honestly, I love these. There's a special place in my heart for one of these, especially bag on some white walls. Super clean interior as well. One of my personal favorite, actually two of my personal favorites, we have two Restomod Camaros. What in the world? This is so clean on some welds. Oh my goodness, I love that intake. Got the Pro Charger flexing on that with some meaty tires in the back. And as per usual, super clean interior. I love that digital dash in there too. That's super sick. Then this one looks like it's still under works. Went a different route. Got the carbureted motor. But I love the blue. Super meaty tires as well. And went with the digital dash too. Not bad. Not bad at all. The truck gang showed up for sure. This one's got no engine in it. But check out this F350. And oh my gosh, the detail on this thing is pretty insane as well. Look at the exhaust. It's massive. Don't see these around too much anymore. The MR2. First gen MR2.
Charged and everything.
Oh, it's supercharged. Hell yeah. This thing will get up and go. Okay, we're getting into newer territory. We got the Z06 flexing in the bright yellow. Actually, that engine bay is all decked out. Carbon fiber intake and everything. Wow. I love the carbon fiber accents. And randomly, we have a ZR1. Like, seriously? That wing is just so much more massive in person. It's official. This is the meet that I've seen the most Camaros in. We got an LS swap Camaro. I don't know what year this is. This might be more of like a 67-ish, maybe 9. Not too sure, but the LS swap is amazing. And to top it off, he's got the car seat in the back. See? It's definitely a family car. Got AD visuals flexing with a 350Z all the way in the back. Never put baby in the back. Come on. Got a Mustang Camaro and Challenger. Mustang looking pretty sick. I like that in the Kona blue, I believe that is. Got the performance pack with a big old Brembo brakes. And, of course, 6 feet under making a appearance with her ZL1. So that ZR1 is cammed and everything. Oh, he's coming this way. God, that sounds so good. At least 1,000 horsepower. See if I can't catch that Malibu SS rolling out. Yes, sir. I gotta tell you, man, classics, don't underestimate them. Showing the supercharged MR2 some love. By the way, that was a barn find. Autocross monster right there. Do y'all see that beast coming? Actually, you should hear it. The dude barely fits in there. Oh man, I told you that thing gets up and goes. It's a random CTSV rolling in. That sounds good. Oh no. Hey look, it's AD Visuals headed out. Got the old school rat rod with the flathead. Oh man, you don't see those at all anymore. Yes sir, we got a tire chirp. Yes sir, better late than never. We got the boosted Cadillac. Yes sir, this dude is vibing. That thing sounds so good. Another one of my personal favorite classics. Woo! That looks good. Man, sounds good. He's got the Willwood disc brake conversion. The Corvette rear end, LS swap Camaro, rolling out. Oh, he just cruising. That car's good for that too. And I just missed that upshift. Future Ford Lightning coming soon. Nasty 5.0 rolling out with the Performance Pack 1. This truck that is coming is absolutely insane. The flake on that is unreal. Oh, yes, sir. And what do we have here? Beautiful Cobra. Followed by a lady-driven vet. Not gonna lie, those GTIs, they move. And I love those shifts. I've never heard a better sounding Euros than this. That Euros sounds so good. Yes sir, we got the crackles too. Finally, a little more JDM love. Flyby. Oh, that CTSV is a manual too. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. We'll catch you at the next meet. Peace.